Study in Canada with tuition fees where 90% of all programs cost under 10,000 CAD. At Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Combo Limited, we proudly connect students to industry-relevant diploma, certificate, and postgraduate programs at one of Canada's most accessible institutions, where high-quality education meets budget-friendly tuition. 90% of all programs listed below their tuition fees cost less than 10,000 KD. Diploma programs hands-on learning, high employability, career-focused. In Early Childhood Assistant, 37 weeks, 1,000 hours. Food Service Worker, 14 weeks, 390 hours. Accounting Administration, 36 weeks, 925 hours. Community Service and Addictions Worker, 36 weeks, 950 hours. Network Administration, 35 weeks, 920 hours. Business Administration, 24 weeks, 595 hours. Business Management, 28 weeks, 595 hours. Legal Office Administration, 24 weeks, 555 hours. Paralegal, 52 weeks, 1,100 hours. Medical Office Administration, 33 weeks, 735 hours. Dental Office Administration, 14 weeks, 355 hours. Medical Office Admin with Health Unit Coordinating, 42 weeks, 895 hours. Aesthetics, 42 weeks, 1,035 hours. Supply Chain and Logistics Management, 52 weeks, 1,295 hours. Data Analytics and Business Intelligence, 16 weeks, 395 hours. Artificial Intelligence, 16 weeks, 395 hours. Machine Learning, 16 weeks, 395 hours. Deep Learning, 16 weeks, 395 hours. Data Science and Big Data, 16 weeks, 370 hours. Telecommunications Technician, 36 weeks, 900 hours. Certificate Programs, Short Term. Skill Boosting, Job Ready. A Personal Support Worker, 25 weeks, 700 hours. Personal Support Worker Bridging, 13 weeks, 350 hours. Home Support Worker, 13 weeks, 300 hours. Postgraduate Diploma Programs enhance your career with a Canadian PG credential. And PG Diploma in AI and Machine Learning, 50 weeks, 1,240 hours. PG Diploma in Business Management, 89 weeks, 1,255 hours. PG Diploma in Network Administration, 50 weeks, 1,210 hours. PG Diploma in Sales and Marketing, 55 weeks, 1,425 hours. PG Diploma in Telecommunications, 65 weeks, 1,410 hours. Trades Programs, Practical Skills. Real-World Application. Renovation and Construction Technician, 27 weeks, 640 hours. Renovation and Construction Technician with Internship, 31 weeks, 740 hours. Cabinetry and Furniture Technician, 25 weeks, 640 hours. Elite Diploma Program, ideal for aspiring doctors and medical students. Pre-Med, Pre-Health Sciences, 50 weeks, 750 hours. Language Programs, Master English and Start Your Academic Journey. ESL Beginner, Levels 1-4, 16 weeks, 400 hours. ESL Intermediate, Levels 5-8, 16 weeks, 400 hours. ESL Complete, Levels 1-8, 32 weeks, 800 hours. Why choose us? 90%. All programs cost under 10,000 CAD. Gain eligibility for Post-Graduation Work Permit, PGWP. Receive recognized Canadian credentials. Dedicated support from Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Company Limited. Apply now. Email infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. WhatsApp +1 438 290 6688.